Ever wondered how lychees go from seedling to supermarket shelf? From tine bud to juicy lychee one. Watch the orchard evolve.
First light in the orchard. Harvesting begins.
Greenhouse to field, yield, selecting only the strongest lychee saplings.
Rain or shine, orchard care never stops.
Harvest day hustle. Sorting lychees by size right in the orchard.
Packing line setup. Crates, foam nets, coolers, protecting the fruit. Night shift at the packing station. Efficiency under pressure.
Warehouse arrival. Temperature maintained. Crates stacked carefully. Storefront reveal. Fresh lychees under warm lights.
That is so good. It's incredibly sweet and juicy.
Night orchard patrol. Checking nets, pests, and moonlit vines.
Seasonal bloom. Capturing the moment lychee flowers emerge.
From flower to fruit, documenting every growth stage of lychee. Organic farming route, Acker. No pesticides, only natural compost and care.
Research breakthrough. New lychee variety. Sweeter and more durable. Ensure the tag is secure for tracking.
Okay, I'll move the drip line to the next one. Another crate, quickly. This one is full, ready to stack.
Cold chain break prevention, BINU, sensors, alarms, backup power.
From orchard to dinner table, lychee journey in 60 seconds.
Why does the best lychee only come from one region? Soil matters.
Morning dew and flavor. Harvesting lychees at dawn improves quality.
Sun-drenched orchards. How sunlight affects lychee sweetness. Sorting station secrets. How to spot bruised or underripe lychees. Sanitation before packing. Cleaning crates and gloves.
Logistics network, orchard, warehouse, truck, port, retail store.
First customer of the day, unboxing fresh lychee pack.
Traceability tech, QR code on every crate, from orchard to buyer. Harvest season rush, workers racing against time and heat.
Cooling down fast at Damping. Flash cool post-harvest to lock freshness.
Batch testing for pesticide residues, ensuring food safety.
Hand-pack luxury gift boxes proof with premium market packaging.
Wow, that is delicious.
Sustainable farming, composting peel and organic waste from lychee harvest.
Diverse orchard, mixing lychee varieties to extend season.
Eat map of orchard type, optimizing harvest times.
Warehouse inventory, scanning crates, and updating database.
Packing and labeling for different markets. Domestic versus export.
Field to lab trace pruning, tagging sample baskets for quality audit.
Heads up, next one coming through. This one's ready for sealing. Keep it moving, faster.
Fruit longevity test. Lab versus store shelf. From vine to smoothie, showcasing lychee versatility.
Eco-friendly orchard poja. Rainwater harvesting for irrigation.
Micro, how lychee seed gets started in nursery trays. Pruning and shaping trees for best sunlight and airflow. Pest Patrol, natural predators released to protect orchards. Harvest baskets cleaned and sanitized between picks.
Night vision orchard camera window, monitoring nocturnal pests.
Luxury export, packing lychees in foam-lined boxes for gift market.
Load balancing, crates stacked for stability in transit.
Temperature logging, real-time tracking via IoT tags.
That's the shot. The texture and the water droplet look absolutely perfect right there. Great job.
All right, first bite reaction. Wow, it is incredibly sweet, very juicy, and the texture is perfect.
Sorting by color gradient, Kumsint. Light red to deep red lychees.
Inventory audit. Scanning and logging crates daily.
Eco-label certification. Why it matters for exported lychee.
Fruit by fruit inspection frame. Manual QC for premium boxes.
Shelf lift test. Leyland, tracking freshness over days.
These are the freshest lychees today, grown right here.
They look wonderful. I'll take a kilo, please.
Juice Factory side story. What happens with lychee rejects? Lychees processed, peeled, juiced, filtered, canned. Sustainability of waste minimization.
These are incredibly sweet.
Oh, try this one. It's perfect. Oh.
The best lychees I've ever had.
Crop rotation and soil care, preparing orchard for next season.
Fresh from Vietnam.
Processing Audit Pro, ensuring compliance with food safety standards.
The quality of these crates is truly impressive.
Thank you. We're confident in our product. Shall we proceed with the signing?
Yes, let's finalize this partnership.
Eco-friendly waste disposal, compost peel, and organic waste. Marketing photo shoot. Close-up lychee dripping water for ads.
Have you ever tried a lychee before? Oh, wow. That is surprisingly sweet and refreshing.
Nighttime cold storage check. Ensure temperature stability.
Pull it tighter on your side.
Okay, hold it there while I secure this end.
Lychee?
The pH levels are slightly high. We need to adjust the acidity here.
Okay, adding the micronutrient solution drop by.
See where your lychee comes from.
Labeling for allergen and export regulations, paperwork and compliance.
Post-harvest care, humidity tents to avoid dehydration.
Batch tracking, each crate linked to harvest date and orchard block.
Fruit Bite Fruit weigh-in competition. Who picks perfect lychee?
Biosecurity protocols TARI. Boot dip, glove change before entering orchard.
This fresh Lychee.
Interactive QR experience. Buyer scans QR to see lychee origin video.
Fast packing challenge. 5 minutes to pack 100 kilograms of lychee.
Rainforest-style orchard, showcasing biodiversity around lychee trees.
We do.
We love its sweetness and crunch.
Yeah.
Quality certified, stamp of origin on each fruit pack. Why lychee matters.